In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive in ClickUp. If a list or project seems to have disappeared, there's a good chance it was archived. Archiving in ClickUp is a safe way to hide work you're not actively using without deleting it. Unarchiving simply brings it back into your day-to-day views, along with all its tasks and details. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to Overview in your team space within My Workspace. This gives you a clean snapshot of what's currently visible. From here, click into the specific project or list you're working with. If it's still visible, you'll see it in the hierarchy. If it looks like it's missing, we'll reveal archived items in just a moment so you can restore it. Inside the project or list, open the options menu by clicking the three dots. You'll notice there's an archive option here. That's the control that hides a list or project from everyday views. If something was archived from this menu, we can recover it right away by switching to a view that shows archived items. Navigate back to spaces. This is the level where you can control what's shown or hidden across the space. Open the options menu again by clicking the three dots for the space. Look for the setting labeled Show Archived and toggle it on. When you enable Show Archived, ClickUp brings archived lists into view so you can access them. With this toggle on, the archived list reappears, effectively restoring it to active status in your space so you can continue working on it as normal. If you still don't see the item, try expanding folders within the space or quickly refresh the page to update the view. Also keep in mind that your ability to view and restore archived items depends on your permissions in the workspace. If you don't have the correct access, reach out to an admin to adjust your permissions or to unarchive it for you. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Use archiving for lists and projects you don't need today but may need later, like completed initiatives or seasonal work. This keeps your views clean without losing history. After unarchiving, check any automations, assignees, and due dates to make sure they're still relevant and update statuses so the work flows correctly through your processes. And that's it. You went from Overview into your project or list to confirm its status, then to Spaces where you used the three-dot menu and toggled Show Archive to bring the list back. Simple, fast, and no data lost.